In this video, we'll demonstrate how Manufacturing Pro can help you calculate specific manufacturing costs for your shop floor. For this demonstration, we'll be using one of the miter saw parts that was used to build the production BOM and production order in our previous videos. If you haven't already viewed our previous tutorial videos, we recommend going back and watching them first. To begin, we'll open the part costing module. Like the other modules, part costing is broken into two main windows, the Part Explorer and the main file window. We'll start by selecting the part we wish to calculate costs for. To do this, simply type the name of the part in the Part File Explorer. From here, we'll double-click the part to open it in the main file window. The part is now opened as a separate tab. This window contains all the necessary panels to calculate the part cost. Let's examine each panel as we enter in the manufacturing details for this part. We'll start by assigning a material to our part. To do this, right-click the Materials panel and select Edit Materials. This opens the Part Material dialog box. From here, we can choose a preset material for our part. In this demonstration, we'll choose Cold Rolled Steel from the material list. Now that the material has been added, we can enter the material dimensions. To do this, simply click on the Dimensions column and enter the number of inches. Because the current material is flat, the diameter and wall fields are empty. To finish, we'll add the material cost per inch. Users of Business Vision accounting software will be able to retrieve the material cost by simply right-clicking and selecting Get Business Vision Quote. This automatically searches the Business Vision database and retrieves the current material costs being used by accounting. Click OK to save the changes. Next, we'll add the material treatments necessary for this part. Like the Material panel, we'll right-click and select Edit Treatments. This opens the Treatments dialog window. To add a custom treatment to the list, right-click the window and select Add Treatments. For this part, we'll be adding a red paint treatment. Once the new entry has been completed, we can enter the cost. Click OK to save the changes. The next panel is reserved for special costs. For this part, we'll need to use a special carbide drill bit for the holes. To add to the drill bit, right-click the Special Costs panel and select Edit Special Costs. From here, we'll add the drill bit in the same way that we added the part material and part treatment. Assign the cost and click OK. The next panel is for part subcomponents. This is for parts that contain additional subcomponents in the finished part. For the current part, we'll need to add three